Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. We are making a series of tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to see all about the keyboard shortcuts in Revit. When it comes to Revit or any other software, there are, basically, if you say that AutoCAD, all are run by commands. User interface are very less. So Revit also, keyboard shortcuts are there. You can, in AutoCAD, you have to press the commands and give enter. In Revit, you have to simply press shortcuts. That's it. Where is this option available and how to get the keyboards? Before starting that, let me go to the keyboard shortcut option available. I can go directly view, user interface, keyboard shortcut here, and also available in the options. Go to options. And we are talking about the user interface options. So it's under user interface, keyboard shortcuts, customize. Both the windows same. For the window, KS is this shortcut. In Revit, always it start with simple words, and when it comes to keyboard shortcut, there are two words. So first letter will be the letters, or if it is a single word like align command, it will be the first two letters. If it is not available, it will be first letter and the second letter, something like that. For in this case, modify, it will be MD. So the MO will be assigned to some other command. So it will be MD. So you can guess it like this, and you will be able to press it yourself if you are trying to access any commands. When you do this, it will be faster. You'll be able to complete the task very much easier. So in my case, I have assigned many options. If you can see that properties also, there are multiple commands. One of them is I have assigned it for my user case. And I have that different version of Revit also. And if you're upgrading Revit versions one by one, and you can export the command, like in my case, I have my Revit 2020. All my shortcuts are here. I can go to the option and go to the user interface keyboard shortcuts. I can export all of them. I have very recently upgraded to 2016, so I can save this shortcut as a XML file to the desktop. Once it is done, I can go to OK and come back to the 26, and I can import all the shortcut settings that I have. For example, go to the desktop and and I can go to the date modified, and I can select the keyboard shortcut and OK. What happens if the commands are existing again? What you wanted to do? I wanted to override the existing shortcuts because I have realigned some of the shortcuts based on my requirements. So I will be overriding them, and you can choose merge also. It is also fine, and select OK. So for my case, for example, manage link, I have assigned ML shortcut for that. By default, it won't be there. So I'll be using that many times for reloading and loading and adding the files in the project. So ML is the shortcut I have assigned for. So I can go ahead and press, no, I have to save the changes. I can go ahead, press simply ML, manage link option will be appearing. Similarly, in modify tool, there is a trim extend command TR. For the other command, TE is what I assign myself. So in this way, you will be able to assign it yourself by going to the keyboard shortcut and select link or any other options. Model text, you can assign your own model text. Empty I'm assigning. If it already existing, it won't assign. If it is not existing, it will be assigned automatically. So it's assigned automatically. It means it's already not present in any other commands. So whenever I press empty, model text command will be appearing. I can go ahead, press empty, model text will come. So I can type whatever I need. I can select and place the command. In Revit and AutoCAD also same. You can press the enter key or spacebar in AutoCAD, but in Revit you can press the enter key. The last command will appearing. So this is how you'll be able to type the again command. I hope this tutorial helped you and made some learnings today. We are making a series of tutorials, so do subscribe and share it with your friends on LinkedIn and other social media, which helps us as a support for us. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.